Everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with another video. Today I'm back with 3 mini action dino blind bag figures from the new Camp Cretaceous Jurassic World Mattel figure lineup, and these are the last 3 that I need from the series. As you can see on the back, they've got the codes, and I picked these up at Toys R Us. They're pretty pricey, but I could not find these guys at Walmart, so I decided to just pay the extra $1. So this one ends in a 5, and it is baryonyx. This figure was released back in the original lineup, and I never picked it up. So I decided now was probably a good chance to finally add this figure to my collection, and it's pretty cute. It's a fairly decent sized minifigure. All my stuff just blew away, but I'll show you the rest. You can see on here there's like a brachiosaurus, bumpy, taro, all sorts of cool new ones, as well as some old classics. So let's move on to the next bag. And this one ends in a 3, and it is the stegosaurus. And I picked it up because it's kind of like a variant. You can see the back is a lot darker than the original one, and it has this kind of lighter spray on it to kind of highlight the scales along the back as well. So I'm glad I actually got it. I wasn't really expecting it to be a variant, but I knew the Ceratosaurus from this lineup was a bit more orange, so I was kind of hoping it was a variant, and of course it was. This one ends in a 7, I think it's the Rex. And it is. This one's pretty cool. Oh, the leg's gimped, just completely bent in the wrong direction. That's pretty sad. Might be good for like a running photo. Also, one of its arms is just also gimped. Huh. This Rex is not having a good day. So yeah, no, this figure is, I guess, it's your typical Rex figure. I'm not a big fan of them. They keep producing a lot of them, but it's totally fine. It's got this kind of shiny, wettish color paint on the back, and a nice lighter beige on the bottom. And it's, yeah, your typical Rex figure, but definitely needed to pick it up to finish the lineup. So yeah, no. Hope you guys enjoyed this blind bag unboxing, and if you did, definitely consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.